ladies and gentlemen, we are launching a new program titled KPI Training and Practical Workshop in the month of May. And what is the purpose of this workshop? The purpose of this workshop is basically to focus on organizations that already have KPI management in the organization and using it as a tool to measure performance. So there's many scorecard challenges, and we would like to help the organization to diagnose some of these challenges and offer some effective solution in terms of measuring, in terms of analyzing, and also in terms of reporting to achieve strategic goals in the organization. This is a very practical, experiential workshop, and definitely you're going to learn some skills how to improve on this KPI application in the organization. Thank you.